Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into marble nail art, which might seem tricky, but trust me, it's easy peasy. I will walk you through step by step so you will nail that stunning marble effect in no time. It's quick, it's gorgeous, and it's sure to catch some eyes. Let's get started. Grab your gel polish and apply a smooth even layer to cover the whole nail. Make sure not to miss any spots. Don't cure just yet, we are about to work our marble magic. Spread the polish evenly across the nail surface. Let's dive in and create that stunning marble design. I have chosen a simple nude color, but feel free to pick your favorite shade. This technique works with any color you love. So grab your dotting tool or a toothpick, whatever floats your boat. Start placing the dots randomly. We are going to create a half circle shape with them. But here is the twist. Make sure those dots aren't all same size. Mix it up with some big, some small, some medium sized dot. Keep it random, keep it funky. Now that we have got our dots in place, it's time to work some magic with a toothpick. We are using toothpick here because it gives us that precise thin stroke we need. Now think of it like connecting the dots but with a twist. We are going to create a figure 8 or infinity shape, connecting each dot together. If the dots are big, no worries, just make 4 figure 8s and let the stroke flow where there is no dot. Trust me, as you go with the flow, you will see that marble effect come to life. It might seem a bit tricky at the first, but once you start mixing those dots together to create that marble effect, it's like magic. You won't even notice those individual dots anymore. Just keep connecting them, blending them together and giving that smooth flow. Before you know it, those dots will disappear in a gorgeous marble design. It's time to set it in place. Pop those nails under UV light for about 30 seconds to cure the design and let it dry. After curing, if you spot any area that need a little extra something, go ahead and place a small dot near to enhance the design. Then cure it again under the UV light for another 30 seconds to ensure everything is set and dry. Now apply top shiny coat all over the nail and cure it under UV light for another 30 seconds. This final touch will add that extra pop to your design and give it a polished finish. So let's wrap it up and admire our beautiful marble nail. I hope you love how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials like this. Thank you all so much for your support and for watching. I'll see you in the next video.